In this video, I will talk you about the YouTube warning. Let's get started. If you have a YouTube channel and you got a warning in your YouTube channel for any issue, like any violence on their terms and condition, so you will get a warning. So I have a warning for YouTube violence. I break their policy. So how can I remove the warning from our YouTube channel? So we have one way to remove the warning. So first of all, log in your YouTube and go YouTube Studio. I am already in my YouTube Studio. After that, click the active community guideline here. After that, you will show why you are getting the warning. So details here. Content deleted by user. By deleting content, you won't be able to appear it. The video was some fighting scenes and some sensitive scenes. For the reason they are warning me, and I have deleted my video. So how we can remove the warning? For this, we have to go take an action, and here take an action again. Click here, and here are a option to taking a training. If I take a training, here you can see take the policy training. You have your warning expires in 90 days. You have the option to taking a quick 7 question training course. You will have to answer the 7 question. After you answer the 7 question, and within 90 days you will the warning will be removed from there. So take training, click here, and you see about the training 7 question 15 minutes. We want to create a share your content confidently in this string. You will see censored related to policy that you violate. You have unlimited attempt to get it right. Next, you should get this article. Violent or graphics content, graphics violence. In your training, we will focus on graphics violence. That means which graphics show you the killing, blooding, fighting, etc. YouTube does not allow you to publish this kind of video. So you just have this and go next. After next, you have first question 701.
The creator post a video that shows someone with a bleeding, broken nose. Here is a plants laughing emoji over the footage, and the video title is diagnostic result of a dead beating.
For this question answer, you can read this article here. After you reading the article, you can answer the question. So let's read the article. Go next. Question number 2 of 7. A video in which is a lion hunt and kills an people. There is some blood visible in their video. Is this violation? No, it is not violation. Next, Tabitha posted a video where a doctor treats a patient who has an infection. Tabitha explained the procedure as it happens, and the video shows the doctor removing a scab. Is this violation? No, it is not violation. Next, Jamia posted an educational documentary about bicycle. What next? Your warning will expire on 10 November. Your warning will expire on 10 November 2025. If you violate again graphics content policy again before warning expire, you will get a strike. you will get a strike. Huh? If you violate different policy, you will get another warning opportunity to training. If you violate same, if you violate 10, or if you violate same policy, you will get another warning. But if you have the chance to take a training, but if you violate same graphics content, you will not get a chance to take a training and remove your warning, because you won't get warning. You will get the strike, not warning. Strike is very bad effect for your YouTube channel. So close training. Complete 12 hours training complete. You will warning experience and take policies to close. So I will review your counters.